Bleeding the brakes on your car or truck normally requires a friend to help pump the brakes while you bleed the caliper or wheel cylinder. With Earl's Solo Bleed brake bleeders, the process of bleeding your brakes becomes a one-man operation. Earl's Solo Bleed brake bleeders are a direct replacement for the OE bleeder screws on your brakes. Solo Bleed screws have an internal plunger that opens and shuts automatically, allowing your brakes to be bled while you pump your brakes. The brake bleeding process can now be done safely by one person without making a mess and with no chance of getting air into the system. Just remember to tighten up Solo Bleed when you're done. So the next time you need to bleed your brakes, remember Earl's Solo Bleed brake bleeders. They'll make your life just a little bit easier when you're by yourself. Thanks for watching. For more of Earl's vast product line, head on over to earls.com.